Comment which one is the best.
Every night, I think of people I'll invite to my stage when my cake is looking just right.
Wish you could taste, I bet it really good and stuff. But the way it looks on camera is enough.
Making pumpkin and lemon banana is heaven with some frosting and fun and a glaze or ganache.
With so many cakes on stage, I look crazy, but it takes so intentionally, cause I love cake, oh my god.
When you make a cake, text or eat a ticket to the player